Welcome to our presentation on Awaken XT, a powerful pineal supplement to help you tap into your innate wisdom and improve your overall mental well-being. Today we will discuss the ingredients, benefits, and how Awaken XT can help you achieve your mental and spiritual goals. Awaken XT is formulated with a blend of natural extracts and nutrients that work together to support the healthy functioning of your pineal gland. These ingredients include 1. Magnesium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in the production of melatonin, which is known to regulate sleep-wake cycles. 2. Bacopa monnieri, an ancient Ayurvedic herb known to improve cognitive function and help maintain overall mental clarity. 3. Turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that has been used for centuries to promote brain health and reduce the effects of stress. 4. Vitamin D3, a vital nutrient that supports the healthy function of the pineal gland and supports the proper absorption of calcium and magnesium. 5. Zinc, an essential mineral that plays a key role in the proper functioning of the immune system, nervous system, and reproductive system. When you take Awaken XT, you can expect the following benefits. 1. Improved quality and consistency of sleep. 2. Increased mental clarity and focus. 3. Increased emotional resistance and self-awareness. 4. Higher energy levels and better physical performance. In conclusion, Awaken XT is a powerful pineal gland supplement that can help you tap into your innate wisdom, improve your mental well-being, and achieve your spiritual goals. We highly recommend trying it out and experiencing the difference for yourself. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you the best on your journey to mental and spiritual awakening.